depends on how this way of working works. At the same time, we have a number of skill areas that we focus on to make sure that it's not only the hard knowledge that you need, it's also about a kind of culture, and we need an experimentation culture. People need to have courage to fail fast, to experiment and to learn. This is what makes lean startups being so successful, which has helped those organizations to become so successful. The only way to survive is to become this kind of organization and be heavily IT driven, but also create a culture that is associated with it. A continuous improvement mindset is something that is crucial there as well. There needs to be some kind of what we call DevOps leadership, so that not only individuals know their tricks and know their stuff, but also the way of managing those firms is well established, and people get empowered and get the autonomy to work in those teams. People here need to understand what it takes to delight the customers, and they need to put on their backlogs stuff that makes sure that we accelerate even further. No manager can tell them this to be that effective. So those skill areas, knowledge areas together has formed the competence framework of the DevOps Agile Skills Association. And what I'm proud of to see is that this model and the training courses that DASA has developed so far already are highly appreciated in the market. We've done several trainings and people are amazed at how much they can learn from this. I'm amazed that they can learn so much about it, but it confirms my thought that we need to help those people. And many of the people I, in quite an extreme way, wiped away from the board, of course, need to be having a lifeline.